Alright, in this video I'm going to do a quick review on the Ridgid 18 volt 3-inch cutting tool. It's a multi-material tool. I'm going to show you how to change the blade. So we just got, here's the box it came in. There it is on the Home Depot site. I got the bare tool for 99 bucks. And it comes with 3-inch wheels. And I'm going to go over this in a minute. I'm going to just throw this onto the little mount and we'll go over it. Okay, so here we go. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make sure there's no battery in here. You want to keep your fingers. And to replace the blade, they have a key, an Allen key stuck in the side. And actually, this is pretty loose, so there's probably a good chance you'll lose this. So maybe you should just buy an extra Allen key, or maybe tape it, or put it in a more secure spot. All right, so we're going to take the Allen key out. And over here, you're going to see a arbor lock right here. So as you turn this, this will keep it, keep the arbor still, so you can take the screw out. All right, these are the direction buttons right here. All right, so forward and reverse. Some wheels you can use in either direction, and some wheels you can't, like this tile blade only goes in one direction, so you would want to follow the direction right here. See it? So you want that's the direction that you set. So I say, imagine that would be reverse. Okay, right here. And we have two other blades. These can go in either direction as indicated by the arrows. Okay, so we're going to press the arbor button. Stick the Allen key in here to take this off. Right. This is also adjustable by the same key, the shoe. This goes up and down. And again, this is a 3-inch cutting wheel tool, and taking into account the shoe or how far you can go down, it's about 1 inch you can cut with this. Okay, so we bit different than an angle grinder, which is 4.5 inches or wider. This is only 3-inch blades, cutting wheels rather. Okay, so there's two washers. There's the outer, okay, and it says it right there, outer, okay, and then you have the inner, you see? And this will tell you that this faces the wheel and that it's the inner. Face wheel, and then it says inner flange. This part goes against the motor part. Okay, so this will go like this. And this inner flange is made for these 3 wheels. It's a 3/8 arbor. You see? Okay. Now, if you happen to get a wheel that is, I believe it's 7/16, they give you this to stick in there. And of course, this says facing the wheel from the inner side. So you would put this like that, right? And then you would put your 7/16 wheel over. This will go over, but it's not the right flange. So this is for 7/16, so you would use the darker color one. Okay, if you mix these up, let's tilt this down. If you mix these up, they have the writing on them. And this says inner, okay, and this rounded part faces inside by the motor. So we're gonna put this on, this is the 3/8. Okay, and then you would put on your cutting wheel. Let's put the regular one on. This is for metal. Let's get that baby on. And then this is only going to go on one way. The round part faces out. Again, this says outer. All right, and then we put the screw in. And on this, it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There's some circular saws that you would do the opposite. But that's what it is with this. Okay, we'll stick the Allen key in here and hold the arbor lock right here. right? You move this and you'll feel the arbor lock pop down, then you can continue tightening it. Okay, and we're regular cut. You're ready to cut. If you wanted to cut kind of like a circular saw, you would use the shoe, or you can take the shoe off. Imagine, let's see. So you'd probably be able to just totally take this baby off. Also use this to make life easy. Okay, probably a lot of people take this off. And that's about the cutting depth you'll get there, which is about 1 inch before you hit the base of the motor housing. All right, so, and once again, we got the direction motors. Compared to an angle grinder, this is going to go way faster as far as RPM. I think it says 19,000 RPMs. An angle grinder will do a lot less. I think maybe average at 10,000. So there you go. And here, we can spin it up. Okay. All right. So if this helped you out, I appreciate it. Hit the like, subscribe. I got lots of other reviews coming up. Thanks for watching.